Well, good afternoon, my ladies and my gents. Got a little pizza box that got from buddy Josh over there, VCGResins.com. Uh, he sent me this little thing here. Remember last weekend, he introduced some new goodies, and he sent me some to show off. And so I thought I would give y'all a quick. This one I need to take out. He has a pizza box in a pizza box. So, come on, all the way. I have, to start with, a pizza box. Thin. These are fragile, so if you do work with them, you need to be real gentle with them. And I got 2 pizzas. There we go, get them in my hand. That you can paint up however you want to paint up, make it look like whatever kind of pizza you want. I got 2 pizzas. I got a closed pizza box. And 2 of these little guys. See if I can get it in the camera. There we go. Oh no, don't drop it. You'll never find it, and the carpet monster will eat it. A couple of pieces of pizza. I thought that was so fun. Not sure yet just exactly what I'm going to do with them, but hey, it's going to be fun. So, he also has a set of hats. These are fun too. I should have looked before I started this, but he's got one hat that is similar to what one of the guys on AMC Livecast wears. He got that kind of almost a slouch hat, almost, but not quite. But it's just almost a fishing hat, but not quite. Yeah, it's just kind of a fun little hat. Got a, well, let me see if I can tip that a little bit. There we go. Kind of, sort of. Got a cowboy hat, in a way. Flat brim. Instead of one with the curled up. Though I imagine if you get really brave and you get steam, you might can warp it to get curl up on the sides, but I'm not brave enough. And he also has a couple of ball caps, and one's got a flat brim and one's got the curved bill. And I've always been one more for the curved bill, and I noticed in the videos that Josh likes the flat ones, but each to his own. And but yeah, I like that hat. And then he also sent one, and this is going to be really great for the 4x4 lovers out there. It is a KC light bar setup, and this is set up to go on your roll bar, like on the back of a pickup or something, your big light bar, roll bar, and you set that on there, and you can put 2, 3, 4, however many. He shows it on his website on the for that. For the he got 4 of them on there, and then he's got these are the KC lights with the covers and a little bracket that fits onto that. So that's going to look really cool on your 4x4 build, and you can probably also do some trimming up or do a little bit of something else with maybe a little bit of styrene square tubing or square rod, and mount them like maybe on the front bumper or something. So, but he gives you 8 of these. I think it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8 of them. I thought it was. And and one bar and they're a little pricey, $9. But I got to sneeze. The hats are $5, and the pizza boxes are $7. So, uh, but yeah, it's going to be kind of fun with some of these. Um, Still looking for a driver's helmet, but those are kind of hard to come by. But yeah, be sure and go check out Josh over at VCG Resins, and be sure and use promo code Jester10. Get 10% off your order, and check out some of the cool stuff that he's got over there. So, well, I'm just going to go ahead and end this here. I've got other stuff that I want to get taken care of, so I'm just going to say to heck with it. Not going to bore you for too much longer. So, BTEX signing out.